So this is the video you asked for. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use the VidIQ app. Well, for those that are new to the VidIQ app, this is how you use VidIQ on your videos or for your videos. And for those that already know VidIQ and understand how it works, well, there's no knowledge that is wasted. How far is it going? Do you enjoy using it? Is it your best friend on this YouTube streets, or you just use it time to time? Well, I'll be using the free version to show this step-by-step guide. Okay, so you'll be seeing a screen recording of the steps. Okay, so click on the video you want to upload and start putting in your details. I don't do a lot when I'm trying to put in the details. I just put a few of them so I'll be able to move to the next steps. After this, I just move to the YouTube studio directly and do the rest of the work before I go to the VidIQ app. So basically, I'm just trying to put in the title and the hashtags. Then I'm putting it on unlisted. You don't put it on public immediately. So I'm putting it on unlisted. Then I scheduled it. So I uploaded it and I'll be going to the YouTube studio app. This is the location and this is the audience settings. Then we're uploading our shot. So I came to the YouTube studio to put in the necessary settings, the description, the link to other videos, the tags, the category, and a few more other settings. It is very important to pay attention to every setting because they play vital roles in pushing your videos. And ever since I started paying attention to all of those little things, I could see changes also on my video or content engagement. So it's very important. It's very important to use trending hashtags. You have to use hashtags in the description. You have to include a link or links to your previous works. You have to put tags in another column. Then on the title column, you have to include tags too. So it's very important. It plays vital role in reaching your audience. Then this category, I set it on entertainment. So I'm going to the VidIQ app now to do the other settings, to look at how my video is, to see the scores and to put in the necessary adjustments. So click on the video you just uploaded. It will show you everything. It will suggest titles for you. It also gives you an option to upload a thumbnail, but I always keep that because I don't add thumbnails all the time to my shorts. So this is the tag column. It gives me suggestions of tags. A quick one: if your channel is not connected to the VidIQ app, this is what you see: authorize your channel. And because I have a couple on my phone, so I decided to switch to the channel I was uploading videos, and you can see this is what you see. So don't get confused when you see something like that. I have connected the channel and I'm starting to put in the recommended tags. I look at the tags it suggests to me and I put them in. So this is what it's giving me, and I'm clicking on those that are related to the video I uploaded. And as you're putting in these tags, it will be showing you the scores. Your scores will be increasing. It will be telling you if the tags are doing well or they will do well for the video. And you're expected to put in a lot of tags on your videos. So I took my time to put them, and I'm checking the list, the scores now. You can see it gave me 35 and it's showing red that I need to put a link in my description. So I went back to my YouTube studio to edit the settings again. I decided to include links to my previous videos in my description. So I did that and saved. Then I went back to the VidIQ app to see. I also added tags. Again, I went back to the VidIQ app to see the scores or to see if it has approved of the link column for me, and it's approved. It is still showing me 35, like the scores but it's showing me details of what my tags look like. Keywords in description 5/5, keywords in title 5/5, and all of that. But it's still saying that the video is not searchable enough. It's not carrying tags that are searchable enough. So I still have to put in a lot of other things too. But if you're comfortable with what you have, then it's cool. Then you go ahead to save your video and wait for when it will be uploaded. And if you want to subscribe for more features, then you click here. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.